Now see students, we will see next examples of matrix multiplication. In this we have given example as A and B matrices are given. We have to show that AB is a non-singular. Now we have seen definitions of singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Now what is how we can say non-singular, when we can say non-singular matrix? If determinant of matrix is not equal to 0. If we have given matrix A and if determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0, then that matrix is said to be non-singular matrix. Here we have to show that AB is non-singular. Means we have to find here AB matrix. Means multiplication of A into B. We have to take this multiplication A matrix, then B matrix. Now multiplication of these two matrices. See here, this matrix is of order 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3, and this matrix is of order 3 by 2. Here this number is same, so we get a matrix of order 2 by 2. We have to check this. Now taking multiplication, here multiplication is done like this. First matrix a row and second matrix a column. मग multiplication केला आपण. Then 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3, plus 2 into 0 is a 0. Now second column, first row, second column, 1 into 1 is 1, plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 2 into 2 is a 4. Then second row to first column, 0 into 2 is minus, 0 into 2 is minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. 3 into 0, it is a 0. Now second column, second row to second column, 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 3 into 2, that is 6, it is a plus 6. So we get this matrix taking addition subtraction, minus 2 minus 3 it is minus 5. 4 plus 2 it is 6. Here it is minus 3 and it is 7. So we get the matrix of order 2 by 2. See here. Our answer is correct. Now we have to show that it is a non-singular, means we have to take determinant of this matrix. Now determinant of AB. Determinant of this matrix, that this is matrix AB, not determinant. Now taking determinant of this, it is minus 5, 6, minus 3, 7. डिटर्मिनंट म्हणजे फक्त मॉड साइन द्यायचं आहे, ब्रॅकेट द्यायचं नाही. आता याचं डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू काढू आपण. मायनस 5 into 7 it is a minus 35. Minus of minus 3 into 6 it is a 18. So we get minus 35 plus 18. Minus 35 plus 18. Subtraction of this is it is we get 17. Minus 17 is the answer. Now minus 17 is not equal to 0. So we have to write that determinant of AB is not equal to 0. Answer come as determinant of AB is not equal to 0. So we can say that AB is a non-singular matrix. Determinant value 0 आलेली नाहीये, other than 0 आलेली आहे, म्हणून आपण काय लिहू शकतो आपण AB is a non-singular matrix. आणि एक्झाम्पल जर बघितलं तर शो दॅट आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचा आन्सर जे आहे डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू 0 येणारच नाही. तर याप्रमाणे आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करता येईल. बघा A to B, अगोदर AB मॅट्रिक्स काढला, त्याचा डिटर्मिनंट घेतला, मग ते आन्सर दिलं. समजा सिंग्युलर जर विचारला तर डिटर्मिनंट इक्वल टू 0 दाखवायचं असेल. समजलं? आता यामध्ये सिंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स हे महत्वाचं आहे. सिंग्युलर म्हणजे डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू 0 येते की नाही तेवढं बघायचं. 0 आला तर सिंग्युलर, नॉट इक्वल टू 0 म्हणजे अदर दॅन 0 आलं तर नॉन सिंग्युलर, आणि डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 आली तर सिंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. इन दिस वी हॅव टू व्हेरीफाय दॅट A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and we have given A, B, C matrices. We have to verify. Verify means we have to check this, prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Here in left hand side it is A into B plus C. There is product B plus C. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये अगोदर घ्यायचा, ऍडिशन घ्यायची, मग त्याला A ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचे. राईट हँड साईडला ए इंटू बी आणि ए इंटू सी हे दोन मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेऊन पुन्हा त्यांची ॲडिशन घ्यायची. तर यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा आपण लेफ्ट हँड साईडसाठी आपण बी प्लस सी काढू अगोदर. टेकिंग ॲडिशन ऑफ बी प्लस सी वी आर गिवन ए बी सी मॅट्रिसेस. बी मॅट्रिक्स इज दिस plus C is 1 2 minus 2 0 4 minus 3. Now taking addition, after addition gauge element wise addition, it is 1 plus 1 0 plus 2, then minus 2 plus minus minus and 3 plus 0, then 4 plus 4 and 3 plus minus is minus 3. Now taking it is a addition subtraction, it is a 2 minus 4 3 8 and 0. This is a plus b. Now we have to take this multiplication a into b plus c. ते काय करायचे b plus c आलेला आहे आन्सर त्याला a ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचे. A matrix is this 1 minus 1 3 2 3 2 a into b plus c. Here b plus c. This is the answer of b plus c. So we have to multiply by this. It is 2 minus 4 3 and 8 0. Now this is of matrix 2 by 3. This is of matrix 3 by 2 of order 3 by 2. So we get the resultant matrix. Same आहे म्हणून 2 by 2 matrix मिळेल. बघूया आता multiplication row and column. First row 2, the second column here, first column 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into minus 4 multiplication is plus 4, 3 into 8 it is a plus 24. Then second column 1 into 2 is a 2, minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3, plus 3 into 0 is a 0. Now second row to first column 2 into 2 is a 4, 3 into minus 4 is a minus 12. 2 into 8 is a 16, plus 16. Now second row to second column, 2 into 2 is a 4, plus 3 into 3 is a 9, plus 2 into 0 is a 0. So we get this as addition is 30, it is minus 1, and here it is a 20 minus 12, it is a 8, and here 30. See this matrix is of order 2 by 2. All this as 1. This is left hand side. Now we have to take this a into b plus a into c. Multiplication here a into b. Taking multiplication of these two matrices, that is 1 minus 1 3 2 3 2. Then b matrix 1 0 minus 2 3 and 4 3. See this is of 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2, so we get 2 by 2 matrix. See, it is 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, plus 12. It is a multiplication करते अपन row to column is a 0 minus 3 plus 9. Now second row to first column it is a 2 minus 6 plus 8. Now second column 0 plus 9 plus 6. So we get the answer as it is a 15, it is 6, 4 and 13. Now AC, A into C. See this here, A into C. So it is a 1 minus 1 3 2 3 2 into C matrix is 1 2 minus 2 0 4 minus 3. हे बरोबर घ्यायचे आहेत, चुकायचं नाही. तर काय आहे ते मल्टिप्लिकेशन इज रो वाईज रो आणि कॉलम हा 2 by 3 चा आहे ऑर्डर आणि याचा 3 by 2 आहे म्हणजे रिझल्ट मॅट्रिक्स 2 by 2 येणार. सो इट इज अ सी, इट इज 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 12. Then 2 minus 0 minus 9. Then it is a 2 minus 6 plus 8. Then 4 plus 0 minus 6. Now addition subtraction is here. It is a 15. It is a minus 7. It is a 4 and here minus 2. Now taking addition of these two. Here addition of these two, AB plus AC. We have done AB calculations. The matrix is 15, 6, 4, 15. Now plus AC. AC matrix is that 15 minus 7, 4 minus 2. Now taking addition plus 15 plus 15. Direct it is 30. 6 minus 7 that is minus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 15 minus 2 that is 13. See, the elements of 1 and 2 are correct or not? 30 minus 1, 8, 13. 30 minus 1, 8, 13. So we can say that this is A into B plus C. This we have found earlier. Now from 1 and 2 we can say that A into B plus C. 1 म्हणजे काय काढला आपण A into B plus C and 2 means it is a AB plus AC. So we can write A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC like this. एक्झाम्पल सोपा आहे, फक्त आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित करायला पाहिजे. आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि ॲडिशन जे आहे ते व्यवस्थित केलं तर येणार. पहिल्यांदा लेफ्ट हँड साइड घेतला आपण B प्लस C काढला, मग A into B plus C काढला, त्याला 1 म्हटलं लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. त्यानंतर AB काढला मॅट्रिक्स A into B, त्यानंतर A into C काढला आणि पुन्हा त्या दोन्हीची ॲडिशन केली.